Take a look at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. You can see here it formed a red candle, and the red candle, the bottom of the red candle already approached the last low of here. So this is the hour chart. If we change the chart into daily chart, we can see here. You can see here actually the Australian dollar has dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days from the short-term high. So it means it's already a release of the sentiment in the bearish sentiment. So we can see here the Australian dollar already approached the lower point of here. So if it can keep above from here, then it's still possible for Australian dollar to have a consolidation in this area. The bottom will be here, the top will be here. But if we lose this part, then the whole picture will change. That we can see from the weekly chart, that here that we can see here actually the uptrend has been broken from this red candle. This big red candle announced the broken of the uptrend from, I think it's from February. So we can see even though it's a V-shaped bounce back, but now we have back test this supporting level, because here is the top of this candle connected here, so it's the strong support. Even though the red candle pierced this level, but it's bounced back. But now we dropped back to test this supporting again. So it's very pivotal for the Australian dollar. If we lose this point, it will be very bearish for the Australian dollar. And if it's lower than here, then it's formed a downtrend in short term. So if we check the US dollar index, we can see here the US dollar index has formed a flag pattern in the 6 months chart. You can see if we connect this point and this point and this point to here, then it's a downtrend. But here we can see it has an outbreak from the downtrend. So actually the US dollar have a chance to form a flag pattern here. Here is the flag, and then break out of the flag is here, and now it has trending higher. So this low is higher than here. So we can see the US dollar is gaining momentum. So in short term, we cannot see any hope for the stimulation for the US government. So the US dollar should hold this position. So any stimulate could come after the election. And on the other hand, we can see the balance sheet from the Federal Reserve has kept in the range, so no more adding in recent weeks, but it will have approached the top of the last high. So in my opinion, the US dollar will hold this level, and the Australian dollar will hard to hold this point. So let's wait and see what will happen. So if it breaks down lower than here, it will be very bearish for Australian dollar. If it can go back up, then there's still hope and still bullish sentiment for the Australian dollar. Thank you.